What is up, guys? Thank you so much for joining me today. Welcome back if this is not your first time being here, and welcome if it is. Today's video is just gonna be a cute little holiday-ish like tutorial on the makeup that I'm wearing right now. So if you are interested and you want to see how I accomplish this, stay tuned. Okay guys, as you can see, I've already started with one eye off camera right here, and so we're gonna go ahead and get started and finish up the other eye. I already primed this eye as well, and we're gonna start off with the Jackie Aina palette right there, and we're gonna go ahead and start with edges there, and go ahead and go on in the crease. Next color we're gonna take is ginger, right there. I'm gonna lighten that up edges just a little bit. Alright, so now that we have that one laid down, we're going to go in with our last color. It's going to be Sponsored right here. I'm going to put that on our lid. Next color is going to be, the real last color is going to be Credit right here. I'm going to put that in our crease as well. Just a little bit, not too much, you don't need a lot. We don't want the look to be too dramatic.
I'm going to concentrate most of the color outside the crease and then take it in.
Alright, now that our eyes are all done, we're going to go ahead and start on our face, and we'll finish up the eyes in just a moment. So for my foundation today, it's going to be my Hourglass Vanna Stick Foundation in Warm Almond. Right here. I think this might be a little bit too dark right now because I did not get a summer shade this year. So we'll just play it. And just play it by ear. If it's a little too light, I'll just go ahead and mix it with my Clinique Beyond Perfecting just to make sure it looks a little better. Ooh. They're a little warm. Alright, next I'm going to go in with my concealer. It's going to be the Born This Way Multi-Scope Concealer in the shade Mocha. And I'm going to mix it with the Clinique Beyond Perfecting as well, because it's also a concealer as well. So I'm going to mix the two because I think the Born This Way is a little too light. So I'm going to deepen it up a little bit. Take my sponge. Alright, I realize I'm missing an inner corner highlight. So I'm going to mix Soleil and Zam from the palette right here, these two here, and put it on my inner corner. There we go. All right, now I'm gonna take, we're gonna do some contouring and bronzing. So now I'm gonna take my, what is this? My contour palette by Black Radiance. I'm gonna take this Scoped shade right here. All right, I'm doing stuff all type of out of order. All right, let me go ahead and set my concealer really quick because it's really shiny. I don't know why I didn't notice that. All right, that's better. All right. Go back into bronze at my forehead and face. I'm going to take my Black Radiance blush in the color Warm Berry. This one right here. All right, next we're going to take highlighter, and we're going to be using my One Wow Mega Glow highlighting powder in the color Precious Petals. This is a really pretty color. I really enjoy this blush a lot. All right. All right, so now I'm gonna go back up to the eyes. What I'm gonna do is take a lot of those browns that I was using in my crease and bring them down on my lower lash line. So we're gonna start again with ginger and go on down. I'm gonna lime and lash, and then I'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back, and we are lined, and we are lashed, and now all we got left to do is the lips. So for today, I think I'm going to do this lip liner by Rimmel. It's in the shade Obsession. Just this one right here. It's a brown lip liner. We're gonna see what that looks like. All right. What do you guys think? Should we add a gloss? Let's go ahead and do so. So I'm gonna go in with this gloss by NYX. This NYX Butter Gloss in the color Praline. It's also a nudie type of gloss. Let's see. Let's see what that do. Okay. This cute. This cute. See, I'm glad I did that. They're cute. Alright guys, so normally I would go ahead and set my face with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, but I'm not going to work. I'm actually about to take this makeup right on off, so no need to set it. But that is it for this video, guys. And if you stuck with me this long, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Alright, so I'm gonna go get on up out of here. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, and give this video a like, because I would love to see you guys come back for more videos on this channel. Thank you guys so much. Again, I cannot express my gratitude enough, and I hope to see you guys again soon. Bye.